yellows and goodbye. Maybe a love like ours can leave out its call.
What if downsizing your home didn't mean having to downsize the way you live? 37 Peachtree Common proves that simplifying doesn't have to mean living smaller.
Come and pass, one after the last, and along we go. The shift and pull of the tides never sleeps. But if I had a...
There's room here to entertain, to work from home, to have friends and family over. And then when you want to travel, you just lock the door and go. Gotta like that. I'm Debbie Chawarda with RE/MAX Niagara. If this feels like the type of home for your next chapter, call or text me at 905-321-9997. Cheers to Niagara.